Welcome back, BMF Speed Shop. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. And if you're a subscriber, thanks for watching. So, newest project in the house. It's a 2008 Subaru Legacy 2.5. I don't really know any history about the car except that it's had the head gaskets done, the timing belt done, and all the good stuff on the engine. And that my girlfriend bought it sight unseen while I was at work. Somebody hit a deer with the car right after the head gaskets were done. So they decided to sell it rather than pay their shop bill. So that's what we got. It needs a hood. It needs a fender, and the core support area is kind of damaged too. I'm going to try to fix that as best as I can. It's got a little bit of rust on the doors, and it's got some starting back here. I already chipped it was just bubbling. I already chipped all the bubbles off and hit it with the navel jelly. It's kind of this. It's got a spoiler on it. I thought it was a GT at first, but it's not. So it's got some more rust on this side. Same treatment. This side's a little bit worse, so I'm probably gonna do a little welding on that and weld a little new steel, a little Bondo, and then I'm gonna have to probably paint the hood and the fender, so I might paint a little bit of this, or I might just kind of half-ass it with a rattle can, because this car is just going to be solely my girlfriend's wife's winter beater. She's driving that 91 T-Bird right now, so she went and bought herself this car. It's what she wanted. I didn't pick it this time. She was tired of me picking cars for her. So I get to fix it all up for her and get it ready to go. So stay tuned. I just got this thing last night, so haven't had any time to go to the junkyard, but I'm going to go looking for a hood that's the same color and a fender that's the same color, and hopefully I can bolt that on, and then I'll do I want to get some different headlights for her because she's going to be doing night driving, and the fog lights aren't working, so I got to get those working, and it's just a little bit of stuff. I'm going to buff it after I get all the new body panels on there, and yeah, it is what it is. I mean, it's another Subaru. It's a good winter car, I think, for her. So, I mean, if you're into Subarus and Legacies, stay tuned. Hopefully, we'll have some videos as soon as we get some snow on the ground. So yeah, keep her on four wheels. Thanks for watching.